Hi, do you think math, chemistry or physics is being difficult to you and you're not going as well as you'd like to? Maybe you are having some issues at school? Maybe do you have a test to prepare to and you need some attention to work with? Do you think you need an upgrade on your working memory toolbox? Well, hi, I am Marcelo, a chemical engineer dedicated to teach students. And if you answer yes in one of those questions I just gave to you, well then, you might have come to the right place. Welcome to my classes, where I invite you to follow me in a journey full of knowledge, partnership, and most of all, conquer. The topics I can teach you are from grade 6 to grade 12. And no matter what age you are, I can help you in one of those topics. Today's technologies allows any student who has internet access chooses his own teacher, and that is very good because I believe there is a teacher for every student. Most of times you have brilliant students in the classroom, but the teacher is not finding the right frequency to work with that student. That's very important. There is a partnership going on here, and sometimes the student is claimed not to be as smart as the other fellow in his classes just because he's not going well. But most of times what is going on here is that the student is not being understood by the teacher. And with the internet we can place any teacher inside a classroom, and we can place any student inside the classroom. And that is great about technology because it allows this proximity between a perfect teacher to this perfect student, and that is very good. And when we have this match as perfect as possible, the outcomes are incredible. In my opinion, every good teacher should inspire, should challenge, should show the beauty of the knowledge to the student. And it is only when the student realizes that and has this partnership with that teacher, the student can now understand and can now flourish. That is only when true knowledge happens. How am I going to work in my classes developing skills in students? Because like I said, the main job of a teacher, it is to guide the students, okay? Most of the times there is something missing there, or maybe he has everything but he doesn't know how to do it. So the main part of a teacher, it is not to give the information but to understand what is going on inside that head. That is the main part that the teacher can help the student. The teacher must take each student and say, okay, I'm going to help you, I'm here for you, and whatever is messed up in your mind, I'm going to help you to get over with it. Okay? So it is a partnership, what I always tell you. There is a partnership between teacher and student. And how am I going to help the student this way? First, I'm going to help the student to develop competence. Then I'm going to help the student to get proficiency. And last, I'm going to help the student to get automation out of it. What are those? The first one, competence, it is when the student is going to learn how to do it. It is the how to. This is competence. What is proficiency? Proficiency, it is accuracy. There is no point about knowing how to do something if you don't have accuracy. I have seen many students knowing how to do it, but they have no accuracy. 30% of the time they just miss, not because it doesn't know, okay? They just miss just because they don't have accuracy. And once they know how to do it, once they have accuracy, only then we can work mechanical process. Only then. But some students, they like to start the mechanical process right from the beginning, even before he understands the exercise, or even before he has accuracy. There is no point about making something mechanical if you just skip this step and this step. There is, it's like a ladder. You can't go to this floor without having passed through those first. Okay, so first, competence, then proficiency, and then automation. After that, chances are much bigger that that information it is going to be transferred to the future of each student. And that is why it's very important to follow those steps. Otherwise, chances are the information learned in here it is not going to be transferred into the future, and that's what we want to, right? Okay. In our classes, we are going to talk a lot. We are going to discuss the answer of each exercise. You are going to hear me a lot asking, what is your answer? What would you do? And why did you give that answer? Why? I want to know the path the student used to get. Because sometimes I'm going to tell the student, okay, good, you're correct, but there is another path in here. There is another option in here. And maybe it's easier for you, maybe not. But let's discuss this. Because the beauty of the exercise aim, it is not to be resolved and just to get a plain answer. The exercises are there so the student can understand the structure, okay? And this word is structure. This word is very important. So we have reached the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the way I teach, the way I communicate, and if you just like my style, the way I teach, please, let's talk. Let's see how I can help you, help your kids. I'm just here for help, okay? Thank you very much. I hope to see you in class. Bye.